ban on onions. Manila Department of Agriculture Secretary Francisco Chu Laurel Jr. on Monday said the agency is set to extend the existing importation ban on onion as the supply of the agricultural product remains stable. The DA earlier projected onion harvest output of 89,384.99 metric tons from April to June, higher than the 84,903.99 MT recorded in the same period last year. Laurel said the supply of onion may be enough until July this year. Since being appointed as DA chief, Laurel said he monitors the price of agricultural products in different public markets around the country. Laurel assured that DA would reactivate onion importation only if needed or when they monitor a spike in prices. According to a recent demand survey by the Philippine Statistics Authority, a Filipino consumes an average of 2.341 kilograms of onion per year. This is J. Garon Lolo reporting.